We gotta see how much this tank costs. Is it even in here? Oh my god, 35,000 gave me that. We are very, very rich men. I can't wait to kill these idiots in my tank! Hellbomb, Solo Silo, and Bastion tank!
Requesting air support.
How do you drive this thing? The wrong one, chat. Maybe it was this one. Oh shit! Not good. We take those.
Freedom has prevailed. Now head to the extraction point.
How did I die? Just dropped the bag and ran. Package and ran.
Oh, the sheep! I'm above you! Well, I'm under the map! So! Ah, shit! Don't need help. Oh wait, I might have just got freed. They just freed me from my prison. Can't touch this, bro. Can't touch this. Oh. Uh oh. Yo, inside is like way safer.
Hellbomb, armed! Clear the area!
Did I even grab my sample? I feel like that. Okay.
Oh shit!
Oh no! Oh my god, no way.
I mean, factory spider.
Ah! Surprise attack! Ah! Surprise attack! What? Oh, you can! You can blow up the fabricators with the hammer.
Reloading! Come more!
Oh fuck, I'm dead. I have the hell bomb attaching me so I can't.
Dropping item.
No!
Another triumph for managed democracy.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Bot front.
That's right, I got the most kills, I got the most stims used, I got the most items used, I got the most melee kills. I got one melee kill! I should have gotten more than one. Pretty sure I should have gotten more melee kills. Okay. Yes. Hey fabricator, go for it, head for it. I got this one. Yo, where's my team?
The automatons can feel regret.
Down here.
I'm dead.
Ah!
There's a factory strider. Eliminated! All I get is eliminated. It doesn't even tell me what I got killed by. I just died. Help, help, help. Somebody help, somebody help, somebody help! Maharaga! Help!
Oh shit!
Maharaga, help! That's the wrong weapon.
Fire in the hole!
I think the factory
I can take the fab. I need something to kill the factory strider. I got the fab, and I died. Okay, so when you die, I'm pretty sure it doesn't give you a slay message anymore.
Helldiver, reporting to the...
Dude, just let me shoot! Let me shoot! Oh my god, I'm pretty sure there's an invisible hitbox under the fabricator, under the factory strider that allows you to not be able to hit it.
Flare enemies.
Clear up. What? Hey, can Arrowhead add back the elimination deaths? I missed those. Oh, did I just kill this guy?
You killed me.
I didn't mean you. I didn't mean you.
You was staring towards me.
I know I did. I thought that was the enemy, bro. Locate the unlock system access port. Okay. Should be Jordan. Isn't it right there?
Come on,
super hacking. Dude, you're literally right there.
What is this? How the fuck?
Bro, what are you doing? What sort of hacker man shit is this? Oh, you gotta match up the symbols. There you go. That's done.
This is their language, bro.
I seen the disconnect symbol on top of my thing.
Yeah, I'm seeing it too. Themes down. Too many hell divers. I know this.
You can't defeat me! Sorry, die, buddy. I'm better. I'm superior to. You wanna fight me? I'll fight you!
Damn, I'm about to head in the water.
Whoa! He won me. He won because I forgot. Yeah, I forgot you can still swing the hammer even though you're charged around. What? Wait, how does? Oh wait, my jump pack's over there. Oh, I didn't know that there was a giant lake here. Guys, problem? I am stuck.
Really? Not a single ammo box.
Dude, I'm stuck. I need help.
Where are these ammo boxes?
Oh, never mind. I died to impact. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck was that trash? Oh my god, I landed on top of the War Strider. Oh fuck, I was on the top of his cannon and then the hell bomb killed me. Oh, that 500 kg ammo. Oh, what a beauty.
Is that thing dead?
Yes, it's dead. And it's on moon. He's not dead.
It's not dead.
I saw him budge like an inch. What? I died to the explosion of that? Oh my god, bro. What the fuck?
I can't understand it.
I can't even turn radius. Why is it turning that way? What the fuck is that? Is that smoke? Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you killed yourself with it. You got hit. Ah, this guy got hit by smoke. Oh my god. Is this the shit? Can I just blow this up for a hell bomb?
Hell bomb, mark! Clear the area!
Okay. You got hell bomb right next to you, so you might want to duck down. Okay, hell bomb does not work. You have to do it legitly, I think. Dude, there's literally one right above you.
Changing eyes!
What the fuck is happening? Well, where's the terminal? Oh, it's right there. Why is there a 120 right on top of me? Right there, the terminal.
Objective located. Reloading!
Uh-oh.
Someone shoot you.
Hold up. Hold up.
Smell like what? Gasoline?
I'm gonna do this.
I got the terminal!
Wait, shuttle inbound? Oh, fuck.
Pelican 1 approaching pickup.
Oh, shit. I gotta get there in 20 seconds. There's a lake right here. Fuck! What is this? Hold up. Jetpack for the win! Oh, yes! Come on. No! No, I'm so close! Don't leave without me, you bitch! No. No!
Oh, we failed.
What?
Welcome back.
Oh boy, that was so fucking chaotic. 6-9!
Personal.
Only 2 melee kills. How did I get 4,000 friendly damage? What did I even do? The longest time.
69.
I was low 69 for an entire week, I think. Or half a week, I'd say. Oh! What? I'm literally what? Okay, this game is kind of weird.
Dude, you stepped on a mine, you idiot.
No, I didn't, bro. That was them. They knocked me into the mine. From the top ropes. What the fuck? Did you saw that?
What injury?
You gotta go over there. Oh my god, a bunch of landmines. Oh, how did I survive? Oh yeah. Oh my god, of course. Come on! But no, I died before you get to the fucking factory. Try to got me. Damn it! Well, damn. If anybody can snipe that with their quasar, go ahead, be my guest.
Snipe a what?
There's one factory left over there. Go, 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 go! Run, run, run! Oh yeah, you're too far. Move that fabricator, DC! Move the fabricator! Get the fabricator! You're not gonna make it! No! Why didn't you grab? Why didn't you grab my samples? Oh my god, bro! Look at the electrical panels on top of on the back of the fabricator. Well, I'm not sure. What? This shit's so tasty. Okay, they definitely buff fabricators. I just got smashed by 5 rockets, bro. Why is there a guy right there?
I got the terminal.
What? Guys, their jammer is jamming the thing. They're jamming the hell bomb codes. I can't read it. Do they jam the hell bomb? I couldn't see the combo. Wait, did that 500 kg just blow it up the director tower? Since when can it do that?
John C.
Okay. There's something here. John Cena!
Factory Strider.
ほう、向かってくるのか。お前はもう死んでいる。何？もう匠でギゼブ。
They resist. Oh my god, they actually gave the bioprocessors armor. I got it, I got it. Help, I'm armed.
Clear the area.
There's a delay now whenever you're.
Oh my god, the hell bomb didn't arm. You gotta be kidding me. I didn't manually arm it. Guys, get in the car. You only got a couple seconds. No! You're gonna kill me! Why did you do that? Who did that? You?
What are you doing, bro?
Did you throw a grenade? What was that? Who killed Kyle? It was one of you two. I know you. One of you two killed him, bro. Who did it?
I killed him.
Oh my god, this guy.
I killed him by accident.
How do you accidentally kill him? You throw a grenade or what? You threw a lure mine on the front door?
Dude, I didn't. I keep forgetting that the lure mine.
The lure mine
drops
goes
at
nowhere.
your
It goes like on your
feet.
feet.
Yeah,
It's-
I keep forgetting that they. I keep forgetting because I looked up to throw it, but I keep forgetting that they only go up 5 feet in front of you.
Money shot.
It's like to rack up the kill count. Why is this guy on?
I don't know. I felt like it.
Calling in extraction.
What? How did that hit us?
Reinforcements.
Ow! Oh, you wanna go, Kyle? Oh, you wanna go? What the fuck? Why is there? Oh, look! Why is it right there? You wanna die? Where do samples go?
Bro, what the fuck are you doing?
Got 12 seconds for my final KD bomb. So you better watch out.
Before that felt longer.
I felt like I was being tormented. Why are we all twitching?
I know, it's okay.
Yo, what the fuck is happening here?
That's what I'm saying. Why
These
the-
guys
why
are
you
real.
twitching?
100% accuracy. Yes!